Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. Yes, I'm so excited. It's my first Chanel unboxing on this channel, but this item is actually like really random, so it's not even like what you guys would think it would be. This is a total random item. So, if you're new to this channel, my name's Derek, and welcome. I'm so excited for you. And if you love all things luxury related, please subscribe to this channel because this is the kind of content that I will be making on this channel. And also, press the notification button if you want to be notified whenever I will post a video up, and also like this video. So I'm just gonna get right into this. Pretty much it has like the bow on the handle, the camellia flower, and like the black Chanel bag, and I'm just gonna take the bow off. And again, like I said, this is like super totally random. It is actually a perfume, and she actually wrapped it up for me. So it has like the little camellia flower on it, and I'm just gonna take off the ribbon. And then the ribbon's right here with the flowers, gonna keep that. And then the box is like, has like the CCs with the C circles around it. And so yeah, so let's get opening. So it is that Chanel Chance Eau De Parfum and the Tendre kind of scent. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I probably am butchering it wrong, but this is what I got, and I totally love this scent. I had the Eau De Toilette version, but then I ended up leaving it at my friend's place, and they never got it back. Like, I'm pretty sure that he used it, and that it is a scent that I totally love, and I ended up getting the 5-ounce bottle instead of like the normal size bottle because I knew that I am going to use this every single day because this scent is totally amazing. So yeah, so once you open it, literally like a pink circular kind of bottle, and then it has like a silver kind of top to it, and then it just looks like that. And I'm so excited for that. That literally just popped. Like, oh my god, it literally smells like flowers and like grapefruit. I'm really bad at scents, but this is like literally what I'm smelling. Fruity and like floral kind of scents I really love, so this is like the perfect combination of what this has. So I'm actually on the website right now, and I'm just going to tell you how much I bought it for. For the 5-ounce, it's literally $170, and then plus tax it was like around $180, so that's how much I ended up paying it with tax. And then the next size down would be the 3.4 ounce, and it was $135, and then the 1.7 ounce is $105, and then the smallest size, which is a 1.2 ounce, it is $80. And again, I have the 5-ounce, and it ended up being $180. So let me just tell you what are some of the keynotes that is showing up as it's saying. So pretty much it says jasmine and rose essence. So those are the keynotes, but like literally it does smell a little like fruity, but it also smells like floral at the same time. Again, I think it's like some grapefruit in it, but it's not very like in depth of what's actually in it on the website, which is kind of weird, but I definitely do smell like the floral rose kind of scent and like the jasmine kind of scent as well. I haven't had my Eau De Toilette version for probably like a year now, or maybe half a year. Maybe I'm just exaggerating. But it literally feels like almost a year that I have not had that scent, and I'm just really excited to purchase another one, but in the Eau De Parfum one, just because I feel like it's going to last a lot longer. I always get compliments on this scent every single time that I wear it. I just think this is something that I would suggest to everybody because this smells literally amazing, and again, like, you will get compliments every single time you wear this. So something that was like totally amazing and something that was not expected is my client advisor, the person who was helping me, she literally gave me so much samples. Like, she literally gave me like 10 different samples of different kind of perfumes that they have. For some reason I've been on a kick with like perfumes and like buying perfumes from like other different kinds, so I'm really excited to add this to my collection. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you have a wonderful day because you're wonderful, and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.